People that pass me in the trail look at me so strangely. I don't think it's because of the van. I think it's because of what I have in my front dash. I'm gonna show you. Yep, everyone's here. Alright, let's go a little bit further. Check out that view, guys. Nice view, actually. This is where we're gonna make our fire tonight. Nothing too bad. I was trying to get the spot beside the river, but it is the weekend and it's like the first day since like a week and a half since we didn't have any rain, so people are in the trail right now. But we do have a little creek right there with the trail, so that would be great to walk the cat later on. So yeah, that's our spot for tonight. Not too bad, not too bad. I needed to get out of the town. I have no idea why. I just felt the need to be in nature and all that. So I'm so glad to be here tonight. That would be great. So I'm not gonna start the fire right away. It's quite early right now. So I'm gonna go have a walk with the cat. Seems to have a trail just right there. So we'll see where that go. I don't know if you can hear it. There's some bodyguard here. So maybe we can have a little shot of them, a little picture of them, I should say. So yeah, let's get to the trail with the cat and see what we can find. Don't know if you can see, but there's a camera right there on the tree. Hey guys! Hold on. I just can't imagine the guy who's looking at his camera is like, what's that? A girl walking a cat in the middle of the wood? Yep! I guess that's what we call a crazy cat lady. Only happened once, guys. Enjoy! Alright, let's go further. I think that's gonna be a cold night. You see it? It is cold already. It's just like 1 o'clock, I think. So I think we're gonna have to have a good fire tonight to keep myself warm. Alright, the cat's gonna go. Let's go further. I decided to start a fire right away. I'm getting hungry and the sun's about to set anyway, so the previous person left a couple wood which are wet, but I'm gonna try to dry them out so I have even more wood because I think it's gonna be cold tonight. Also decided to move the van. It was the other way before, but I always like to park my van so it is easy, like if I have to leave in the middle of the night for some reason, I can just like go straight ahead. I don't have to back up, and I'm glad that I did that when it was still light outside, because like the driveway, if you want, like it was really like have some rocks and all that, so it was quite hard to do that even on the daylight. So I'm glad that I've done that and it's done, so if something happened I can just pop and leave. And I have a feeling that some people is gonna ask me, do I feel like very stressed, you know, because I'm in the middle of the wood? And no. If I was feeling stressed or if something make me feel like I was uncomfortable, I would just leave. I always like, every time I park anywhere, I always go with my feeling. So if I feel stressed or anything, I just go, yeah, with my feeling, my instinct, and just, you know, leave if I feel like it. But right now, I'm sure I'm gonna be fine tonight. So yeah, I'm gonna make the fire and start cooking dinner. was so good. I ate like 1.5 burritos. I'm full right now. So I think I'm gonna let you with this. It's getting pretty dark right now and you're not gonna see me. I don't have any extra lights and all that, so other than a small little flashlight. So I'm gonna let you with this. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my evening with the fire. Maybe grab a little vegan Baileys and enjoy the fire. I really needed to go in the backcountry today. I don't know why. Maybe it's because it's been raining for almost like a week and I just felt the need to get out and spend a little bit of time in nature. I don't know. But yeah, it feels so good to be here right now. So thank you so much for joining me, guys. I hope you enjoyed my little adventure today. I had some good time though. So I hope you enjoy it. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up. I like to chat with you guys in the comment section, so come chat with me, and I guess I will see you next time, guys. I have to get up.